And viewers, we are bringing to you breaking news at this time, and that is the preliminary probe that has been found regarding the Air India crash. And this report has revealed that both engines of the ill-fated Air India AI-17 aircraft were shut down just moments after takeoff. This had triggered a total power loss and causing the aircraft to lose altitude rapidly before it even cleared the airport boundary. And just moments later, the fuel cutoff switches for both Engine 1 and Engine 2 were moved from run to cutoff within 1 second of each other. This action instantly cut off the fuel supply, causing both engines N1 and N2 rotor speeds to fall sharply from the takeoff thrust levels. The crash of flight AI-171, which was headed to London's Gatwick, killed over 270 people, including students at the nearby Medical College hostel where the plane went down. Only one passenger survived. The aircraft was airborne for just 32 seconds before it lost altitude and slammed into a building 0.9 nautical miles from the runway moments after takeoff from the Ahmedabad airport on 12th of June. All right, we have an aviation expert, Mr. Devesh Agarwal, joining us. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us here on Republic TV. Sir, both engines are shut down just after takeoff because the fuel switches moved to cut off. Now, could this be a technical fault or pilot error? And how do pilots usually avoid this?
Hi, good morning. If you notice the photograph itself in the AAIB report, the fuel switches, they have a kind of an inbuilt lock. You know, they're not just an up and down kind of switch. They require to be pulled out and then moved either up or down and then pushed back into place. So it's a very deliberate action. There are also two guards on the side of the switches, just to prevent, say, like a pilot's shirt cuff or something getting caught in that switch and it being, accidentally moved. So the other thing, if you see, the report very clearly states that the cockpit voice recorder has recorded one pilot asking the other, did you, move the cutoff switches? And the other pilot says, no, I didn't. So it's not a case of pilot error, because the pilots don't appear to have moved it. Now, with regards, the AAIB report is also indicating that there was a SAIB issued by the US FAA back in 2018 that similar type of switches were reported to be shipped with the unlocked, with the locks disengaged. But there was reports on 737. But the FAA said it's an advisory bulletin. Please check your switches. Now, there's no appearance that Air India has done that because it is purely an advisory bulletin, nothing mandatory in nature. There is also a service bulletin put out by GE back somewhere in 2020 that required change of the MN4 IC, which has something to do with the fuel control.
Right.
That's a separate thing. It has not been mentioned in the AAIB report. I have put a link to that service bulletin on my Twitter channel, which is BLR Aviation. And so if you want to download the report, you can look at that. But as I said, right now, this only deepens the mystery.
Sir, stay with us because we have breaking news coming in. Boeing General